to our exam guide for your end semester remote proctoring examination. We'll walk you through preparing, setting up, and successfully completing your test.
Oh, excellent. I am so excited to get started. Remote proctoring, huh? What's the first thing I need to know? Like, what gear do I even need to have ready?
To begin, you'll need two devices. Your primary device, which is a desktop or laptop, and a secondary device, our third eye, which will be your mobile phone.
A third eye? Seriously? That sounds incredibly cool and a little mysterious. What kind of mobile? And what about setting up the environment? Do I just sit down and click Open Test?
Indeed. For mobiles, Android and iOS are supported. After opening the test and validating your environment, the system will guide you through granting camera and microphone permissions, then validating your face and voice. Remember to speak clearly when prompted for voice validation.
My voice is my password. I love that. And the third eye, how does that work? Do I just point my phone at myself? Is it like a tiny extra proctor?
You'll scan a QR code with your mobile, then position it to offer a broader view of your workspace, either to your left or right in landscape mode. This ensures comprehensive proctoring. After that, you'll find options for answering questions, from MCQs to scan and upload, and various portal tools like chatting with your proctor.
Wow, this is so thorough. So, if I've got my two devices, my voice validated and my third eye watching, I'm good to go. Then just hit finish when I'm done. This is going to be amazing.